So guys, this is the Vortex and I've got adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitor ADAS features installed on this Vortex. So I'll demonstrate the features practically also through the drive review. But before demonstrating it practically, let me show you what all hardware changes we have done. So firstly, we'll come over here, and this is the VW logo which has been changed. This is the ceramic logo and it houses the radar inside it. Okay, and you can see the adaptive cruise control wiring, radar wiring in here. Secondly, what we have got done is basically we have got two blind spot radars installed at the back. So one is present here and one is present here. Both of them are present at a 45-degree angle. Okay, so there was no provision in the Vortex to get those radar installed. So we have got it done by drilling a hole inside the metal body. So they are placed perfectly at 45-degree angle. I'll show you quickly how it is displayed in the screen. You can see here like two lines are present here. So these are for the radar, for the blind spot radars. What these two radars do is when you reverse, then we have got a function enabled which is called rear traffic alert. So I'll demonstrate it. As you can see, this is the cruise, this is the ACC. This side assist is basically the blind spot monitor, and rear traffic alert. This rear traffic alert is what I was talking about. Whenever you put the car in reverse, if there is traffic which is crossing by when you are reversing, then it will apply the brakes on its own. So this is done by basically these two radars right over here. So this is the menu: side assist, rear traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. As soon as we turn the ignition on, then we get these blind spot lights illuminated. So these lights have been installed. Okay, we had to cut the mirror surface very accurately, and then the light was positioned. So you can see the finish has turned out to be okay, but not like the factory finish. So guys, this is a demonstration of the adaptive cruise control feature. So as you can see, I have set the speed to be 75 kilometers per hour. This is indicated by this green line, and this cruise control signal at the bottom, 75 km/h, you can see. Okay, so this car is being indicated as the car which is moving ahead. So the radar is picking up the car which is in front. Right now the car has gone ahead too much, so it has stopped picking up. Let's increase the speed a bit. This is the minimum distance that you can have from the car ahead in front. So this is indicated by this first line. I have set it to first line. So first line is the minimum distance to the car ahead in front. If I set it to 2, let's say, now the distance should be even greater. So it will maintain even a greater distance from the car ahead in the front. This is really helpful on the highways. when you're cruising. See, the car ahead has braked, and I haven't touched the brake pedal at all. Immediately it has gone down to 70 kph. Apart from this ACC, I've also installed this paddle shifters, magnetic paddle shifters. So basically, this whole ADAS to enable this ACC, we need to change this button, this one. And stock paddle shifters don't connect to, are not compatible with this. Hence, we need to change the paddle shifters. There is a difference in the connector pin, so that's why we need to change the paddle shifters. So these give a very nice clicky feeling. So I'll show you. Let's say I'm downshifting now, so I'm in M4. You hear that clicky sound? Upshift again. It gives a very nice and sporty feeling. Downshift again. Cruise control is doing its job. Distance is maintained to the car in front. Also, these BSDs, blind spot detection, is working fine. See the car in the blind spot, and this indicator is working fine. So again, the Swift Desire is coming and the indicator is working properly. It's indicated here in the assistance systems. So you've got this ACC, adaptive cruise control. Side assist is the blind spot monitor, and rear traffic alert is basically when you are reversing, and it can apply the brakes on its own. And then front assist is basically, it will brake itself. If it will apply emergency brakes itself. So I have to test it thoroughly. I haven't tested it yet. But the cruise control is doing its job very effectively. See, it is maintaining the distance. So this is the demonstration of the adaptive cruise control in city conditions. So we've got a car ahead in the front. So what we'll do is we'll activate the cruise control. So this button deactivates it and activates it. Then using the button in the center, we'll set the distance. What is the distance I want from the car ahead in the front, and then using RES or SET buttons, we can enable the cruise control. So it's set at 38 kilometers per hour, and RES SET buttons basically increase or decrease the speed by 1 kilometer per hour. Okay, and using the plus and minus, you can increase or decrease by 10 kilometers per hour. So currently we have set it at 40 kilometers per hour, and we are following the car ahead in the front. I haven't touched the brake pedal. So basically ACC is ready, a message showed up in the on the dash. So now it's stopped completely. What we have to do is we just have to keep pressing the brake pedal till the traffic light goes green. So right now I'm pressing the brake pedal. You can see ACC is still enabled. It's set to 40 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now the traffic light has gone green. I'm just gently tapping on the accelerator. Again, yeah, the cruise controller started working. So it started working from 0. And again it has picked up the speed. 45 kilometers per hour. Again it's maintaining distance from the car ahead in the front. So that's about it for the adaptive cruise control. So I've got the car ahead in front of me. So let's first start the ACC. Let's set the distance to 1 point. Basically, yeah. So let's increase the speed a bit. And we'll follow the car ahead in the front. So it's applying the brakes on its own. Accelerating on its own.